Ebenile usoma ewam Chukwu kike ono munekele gie amaliselele uto uwa bụ ego iruwa obodo oyibo fụsanda ndị anyị na Imalo no esikekwe. Chisom by Umobulibo has to be that song that when you feel like you want to give up in this life with making money, with moving forward, with anything, any project, be it small or big, just listen. And if you're non-Igbo, you can get someone to translate. Like, it's so deep. Sometimes I get to cry listening to that song because fam. Anyway, guys, hello beautiful people and welcome back again to my channel. It is your favorite baby girl Dyna Ekwueme in the building, and yeah. See, I posted my 80k milestone on my Instagram. A lot of dynamites were interested. Mama Dyna, we need giveaway. Giveaway is coming. Giveaway is coming. Let us hit 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and you gonna say you did family way past family, you get me? Anyway, guys, today I wouldn't just dive right into sharing the nuggets that I have to share today without saying a massive thank you. Before we move on, let me know at what point you followed and joined this dynamite family. Are you subscribed? Are you still dulling? Is it still like, I don't know if I should join this family? This is the popping family. Like, someone should let them know down there that this is the popping family on this YouTube streets, and that's some period. Anyway, guys, today I'll be sharing some of the biggest mistakes that I've made along the way. You know, this is my 4 years YouTube career. I know 80k people get it in 10 years, some people get it in 6 months, some people get it in 24 hours. See, this YouTube streets, just don't look at anybody, just focus on yourself. Focus, because you may be looking at someone, you know, this person is, I'm trying to follow. Your grace and that person's grace is not the same. Auntie, are you listening? Uncle, we need to open the sermon this way. If you're searching this YouTube street for how to do better than someone, how to get to a level that someone is at this point, how to be like someone else, then please click out. This video is not for you, babes. Click out, because today I'll be dishing some of my biggest mistakes, some of the mistakes that if someone told me, by now I'll probably be at a million. By now I'll probably be 100k. I don't even know. By now I'll probably be at 200k, 1 million, 5 million possibly. It's just some of those, you know, mistakes that I had to make so that you don't make them. Just take a seat. Let's just dive right into it. The number one mistake that I feel like I regretted, you know, as a starting YouTuber, when I started my channel, like when I say starting, I mean the first year of my YouTube channel. If you knew me back then, you will know that what I'm saying is absolutely true, was trying to fit into a niche forcefully. I know some of you are like, Auntie, what are you saying? There are different niches here on YouTube that one can decide to just enter and just do what they want to do. And if it's the popping niche, why not? If not, why can't I hop in? Like, what are you saying? Yes, there are niches on this YouTube, and there is you, there is your personality, there is absolutely you without anyone else. And let me break it down. When I started off my YouTube channel, at the time I saw niches that were doing well. I saw reviews, makeup, like makeup was popping at the time. And being a tomboy, I don't know shit about makeup. Like but I did the videos anyway. I did tripod reviews. I was trying to do a whole lot of, even though you both stuff, trying to take expensive trips to places that I shouldn't. It wasn't necessary. I've deleted some of those videos, but then looking back, I'm just like, what were you trying to achieve? What was your goal? The thing is, if your personality doesn't match with that niche, if you're forcing yourself to create content around that niche, you'll find it a lot more work. You'll find that you'll be putting times 10 of the work that if naturally you fit into that space, it will just be bam, 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 bam. ABC, you've uploaded. and you're making money out of your videos, you will struggle in a niche that doesn't fit your lifestyle, your personality. You will definitely get frustrated. You will definitely be tempted to compare yourself, your growth, to people who started before you, not too long before you, or who are behind you. Just, I'm not saying don't enter any niche, but try to enter a niche that fits in. Let me say, like me, I'm not a makeup person. Like, I tried it when I started my YouTube channel and it was a massive flop. I didn't have the energy. It wasn't just there. I just hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Try and find a niche that naturally, you know, your personality just inside. Be yourself. Or even if you don't find a niche, create a niche for yourself. Who made these rules that niches are for this and that? Create your own niche, one niche. The second biggest mistake that I've made in these 4 years of my YouTube career is over budgeting for the most basic video idea. Like, fam, it's not even just about places. Since so and so person made a video here and it blew, or since I need a certain, you know, charisma, I need a certain lens, I need a certain camera. And I was doing all right though with my iPhone 5 at the time when I started my YouTube channel, and I was like, no, I'm not doing the right content. I feel like I'm not creating enough because I don't have a camera. I feel like I'm limiting myself. I got camera, I see the way I did. I was where I was until after 2 years, let me tell you. And since I got to my monetization level, what I bought and spent money on, I'm still using them till today. And it's just 2 items that I used to film. This my EOS M6 and the lights, the torch you're seeing behind, and that's it. Your ideas can be expensive, but your gadget, your budget, your everything do not necessarily need to be expensive. There are people who sit at home. There are people who film videos with just 1 t-shirt. Like 10 of their videos possibly in a month is just 1 white t-shirt or 1 black t-shirt, and they're making more than how many views in a month? So ask yourself, auntie, it's not necessary. You don't need to get the most expensive camera to put out valuable content. You don't need to visit the most expensive places in order to appeal to a certain audience. Ease into the audience for you. Just create the audience for you, and don't overdo yourself. Don't come and kill yourself on YouTube. Don't. The third biggest mistake that I will be sharing today is not making my videos about others. I remember when I started off my YouTube channel, it was mainly about myself, what I want to show, my friends, my this, my that, everything I wanted to do is me. It was only me and my family members that were watching my videos. I was like, oh, nobody is supporting me. It was my fault. I wasn't looking at the mirror. I wasn't looking at the mirror. Like, fam, how can you be accusing every other person when you are not creating content that every other person wants to watch? Sis, you're not creating the content that people want to watch. Why is it all about you? Like, why do you need to be selfish with content? You need to create value for others. And I know that it can be hard, and that's why you need to master your audience. That's why you need to build a community, to build an audience, to build a family, to carry at least 60 to 80% of the people that are following you along. Even when you're so tempted to make it all about you, remember that people are clicking to watch things that either brings them smile, joy, laughter, value, whatever it may be. If someone went online not for you, they don't give a shit about you. It's them first before you. So even if you're going to do you try to give something back in return. I have so many mistakes that I have made, and if I keep sharing them in this video, it's just going to be mad. And that's why I wanted to use this opportunity that I'm celebrating my 80K to bring you guys a masterclass. This is an opportunity that you do not want to miss, because the first masterclass that I did, most of you complained it was too expensive, but people who came for the masterclass could testify that we gave more than they even paid for. We were going to teach for 2 hours. We taught for almost 6 hours. Wallahi, it was a madness, because I can't even explain at this point. Are you a stay-at-home mom looking for how to start up a YouTube channel? Because I remember when I made my How I Became a Millionaire Housewife video, loads of you were sending emails, this, that, I want to start up a YouTube channel, this, that. This is the time. This is the time to start that YouTube channel that you've been meaning to start. Do you have a YouTube channel? Are you experiencing stagnancy? Are you experiencing low income? Are you experiencing, lack of content, ideas? What is your problem here on YouTube? That is what this masterclass will be all about. 3 intensive hours of learning how to navigate this YouTube street, learning how to build an audience, learning how to build a community of your own, learning how to double your income, grow your subscribership, your viewership, whatever it is that you're looking for here on YouTube. All you need to do is to send an email to the email on your screen, dynavlogs@gmail.com. There are 2 days, the 10th of April and the 11th of April. Saturday the 10th of April is the 3 hours masterclass. It's just for 9,000 naira, $20, and you get your registration number once you pay and send the receipt of payment. The second day is quite limited. I only have 5 slots available. Actually, I only have 3 slots available right now that I'm talking to you, because 2 people have reserved 2 slots. They've not paid yet, but they've reserved 2 slots. And that 11th, which is the Sunday, is going to be 1 hour of one-on-one. Tell me what you want to know. Show me your channel. I will review it. What is it that you need to know? Practical steps and guide. Is going to be more personalized. Video call, however you want it. Zoom, video, audio, however you want it. That's for Sunday, and that one goes for 30,000 naira, which is $65. It is going to be worth it, I promise you. This is not your regular masterclass. This is where you get to learn the real deal. This is where you get to open your eyes. Remember, the first day, which is the 10th, Saturday, there are going to be hundreds of you, 100 slots available for this one, and it's going to be via Zoom. People will be there sharing their own ideas, asking questions, showing loads to learn, people to meet. So it's not an opportunity that I see you missing. So please send that email right away at dynavlogs@gmail.com and get registered. Anyway, guys, if you totally enjoyed some of the tips that I shared and you want more, first of all, send that email. Second of all, hit the like button, subscribe, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. For now, thank you so much for 80,000. Thank you. Road to 100K. See you guys soon. Bye.